would like to thanks Eshwar College to giving this opportunity, and also it's a good platform for students to learn, to understand, and to interact with the industry. Because I feel students are having more theoretical kind of knowledge. This kind of platform will give them a exposure what exactly happening in industry, and industrial practical knowledge they will able to learn from this kind of initiative. So I believe college should take this kind of events or this kind of programs frequently. They should call more and more industries to come and interact with the student, and this will really help for both industry and institute to have a better future students.